Hi, third graders. It's Mrs. Keeney here. Today in math, we're going to learn how to measure the length of objects using inches and centimeters. So let's take a look at our tools. When we measure the length of an object, we use a ruler. Some rulers measure in inches, so you might see IN, that stands for inches, or you might see CM, that stands for centimeters. You might notice that an inch is a good bit bigger than a centimeter. How do we use a ruler? When we measure with a ruler, it's really important that we line up our object at the beginning of the ruler. Some rulers have a zero. If it has a zero, line up the beginning of your object at the zero. But if your ruler does not have a zero, like this one down here, we would line up the beginning of our object at the beginning of the ruler. Let's give it a try with this question. What is the length of the pie to the nearest centimeter? Now, remember, line up your ruler with the edge of the pie. So here is the edge of my pie. Since there's no zero here on my ruler, I'm just going to line up the edge with the beginning of the ruler. Now, I'm going to find the other edge of my object, and I'm going to bring it all the way down. Look, it stops at 8 centimeters. So the length of my pie is 8 centimeters. Don't forget to check what are you measuring in. cm stands for centimeters. Let's do it with another one. Take a look at the sandwich. I'm lining up my ruler with the edge of my sandwich. Again, since there's no zero here, I just line up my sandwich with the beginning of the ruler. Okay, I'm going to find the other side of my sandwich and bring it down with an imaginary line. It's right there on 11 centimeters. So the length of my sandwich is 11 centimeters. We can also measure in inches.